I live out in the country, in the county of Tyrone. It's near the village of Dromore. It stands out on its own as a place of natural beauty, the likes you've never seen, with misty rolling mountains and fields of evergreen. It's 10 miles into Oma, Dungannon 42, and as you wander down the road, you'll see the lake so blue. You'll hear the grouse a-calling on the moorlands high above. That's near the village of Dromore, the place I'll always love. But the curse of emigration has tempted me to go where hills seem greener far away, but I'm wise enough to know there's no place in this whole wide world that I would rather be than near the village of Dromore, the place that's dear to me. It's 10 miles into Oma, Dungannon 42, and as you wander down the road, you'll see the lake so blue. I'll hear the grouse a-calling on the moorlands high above. That's near the village of Dromore, the place I'll always love. That's near the village of